Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm back again with another really interesting video. Today we are going to discuss a major update in the AI world, and that is the integration of Nano Banana model with Google's NotebookLM. So yes guys, the image that you are seeing currently on my screen is a frame from a video overview that is generated by NotebookLM, that is Google's latest research AI tool. And this image or this video is entirely created with the help of Nano Banana. I know you guys are very excited for it. I am also excited to explore this with you. Let's get started. First, starting with a little bit of overview, guys. If you don't know what NotebookLM is, NotebookLM in short is basically a research tool that has been created recently by Google. So what you can do with NotebookLM is you can create your notebooks where you can add sources. That means you can add any documentation, you can add any websites, you can even discover sources by using Google search, and then you can add all those documents in this sources folder. Now based upon these sources, what Google can do is it can generate a sort of a system prompt for you. It can generate a whole lot of information, a summarization of all the sources that you have uploaded. Now based upon that summarization and based upon those sources, you can do a certain amount of things. Firstly, you can simply ask questions on the sources that you have just uploaded. You can ask it to summarize the test, or you can do that with the help of this prompt editor. Another thing that you can do is you can create audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, and quiz. Now, if you want to get a detailed explanation of all these things and you want to see how they all work, I have created a dedicated video for NotebookLM that I'm gonna link in the description below. Do check that out. Okay, so now the next thing what I was going to give you an overview is the Google's latest image generation model that is called as Nano Banana. So yes guys, Google has recently created this Nano Banana model, and this model has been taking the internet by storm by creating really real life images, and that too much faster. So if you guys again want to have a dedicated video about Nano Banana, I have explored this model in detail and I'm gonna link that in description as well. So you can just simply generate images free of cost with the help of this model. But what Google has done is it has integrated two of its most latest tools together to form a video overview in NotebookLM with the help of Nano Banana, and that is how it has powered this beautiful tool. Okay, so I know you want to explore that tool with me. Let's get started. So first of all guys, you can see that I have created a very simple notebook here where I have just added few sources from Harry Potter. All I did was that I clicked on this discover here and I just gave it a prompt that give me all the sources for Harry Potter, and it gave me almost 10 sources that I have checked all of them, and now they are there in my notebook. You can see that it already created a specific brief about the sources which I have uploaded. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this video overview edit button right here, which looks like a pencil. And there you go guys, you can see that you get two options here to create your video. First is an explainer video, which is gonna create a almost longer video format of 5 to 6 minutes, and it gives you a comprehensive overview about all the sources. It connects all the dots. It gives you a pictorial representation of what do you want to know about those sources that you uploaded. But another format is a brief, that is a bite-sized overview that helps you quickly get some ideas about the sources that you have uploaded. And this is almost like a 1 minute video where you get a very short form video about just a quick summary. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select a format. So let's say I select brief, right? The next thing that I'm going to do is choose a language, and you can see that you can choose a whole lot of languages here. You can choose English, you can choose Indonesia, you can choose Italian, you have like so many options right here which you can choose to actually create your video, and the audio in that video is going to be in that particular language, and also the text. Next thing, which is the most important thing, is the visual style. So you can see that you get few options here. First is the auto select, so it's going to select any of the style based upon the source. Second is classic. So classic basically has got this whitish beige background, and it basically is like a PowerPoint presentation which it will show you one slide after the other. Then you have got you have got whiteboard, you have got watercolor, you have got this retro print right here, heritage, papercraft, anime. So you can see that you have got like 5 to 6 good options to actually create your template for your video, and based upon the based upon the style that you choose, all the images that are created in your video overview are gonna take that style. So simply select format, choose your language, select some visual style, and click on generate. Now once you click on generate, you can see that it is going to start generating the video overview. Now obviously this takes a little bit of time guys, because it's not very instant as it is creating a full-fledged video for you. But to keep this video a little bit quicker, I will show you some of the videos that I have already created. So the first video that I created was the simple classic video, and you can see that it looks a little bit like this. Actually it's not classic, it was auto select. So when by default I selected the auto select option, and that's how it created the video for me. And now I'm gonna start running this video to show you a little bit.
Some stories don't just end when you turn that final page. They kind of escape. Is dedicated to conquering what he calls non-being. He is completely consumed by his to the center of the narrative. So here it is, the central conflict.
So there you go guys, you can see that this was a very generic sort of template, not a lot of flashy pictures in it. It was an auto select, and also you can see that the video is almost 6 minutes long. So this was an explainer video, and this is something that I auto selected, so whichever template it selected came here. Now let's go back to the studio and let's look into some other videos. Another video that I want to show is the Stories Second Life. Let's check out what template this video was. And you can see that another video which is a 6 minutes 42 seconds video. And if I remember, this was a retrofit sort of style. And let's see how this video looks.
Do you know that feeling when you finish an amazing book or a movie? Oh, your very potential to be a complete human and just becoming, well, an empty shell. A huge, very complicated wall. Look at things like how much you used and whether your new work hurts the sales of the original. Show legal right to transform culture, but modern technology is now being used to stop us from even getting our hands on the raw materials we need to do it. Course. On one side, you have the principle of fair dealing, this idea of a right to build on our shared culture, and on the other side, you have a very real, very solid digital law.
So there you go guys, you can see that this was the retro template that I selected, and that's how it created the video for me. Again, this is not very impressive because it did create some generic images. However, let me show you the last video, which is gonna be a really big banger, and that is the Harry Potter's Final Secret video. This video guys was generated with the animation template, and I think this was one of the best videos that Google can create with the animation template. Another thing is that this was a very brief video. You can see that it's only 1 minute 57 seconds, which is even less than 2 minutes. So this is a very short video, and this is gonna have some really cool animations constructed with the help of Nano Banana. So let's have a look.
We all think we know Harry Potter, but the real battle, it wasn't about wands and spells. See, it's way deeper than just good versus evil. It's a fight over what it even means. They started from the same place, but wow, did their choices lead them down different roads.
Voldemort was driven by one thing, a terrifying fear of just not
Think about the Dementor's kiss. That's it, right there. Existing, but with nothing inside. So to escape that fate, Voldemort went down a series.
So there you go guys, you can see that it almost looks like a comic book. So I would personally say that the animation template that we selected was one of the best template that Google has integrated in the video overview, and it looks pretty fantastic. It generated a brief video for us. It had all the summary that I wanted to have. It had options about the characters. So it had quite a good mix of things, and it looked pretty fantastic. So obviously guys, you can see that my video overview is still getting generated, and this will take a while, and that is why for this video I created all my video overviews beforehand. One more thing that I want to just give you as a disclaimer guys, that in a one single day you can see that I was able to create 3 video overviews, and that is the limit. You cannot create more than 3 video overviews guys. If you want to do that, you have to upgrade to a higher membership. I have a free membership and I have not upgraded. So if you want to create more video overviews, or if you are a content creator and you want to use this as a tool, then you should get an upgraded subscription, which I don't have, but if you want to get it, it's pretty easy to get. So that was a video guys. I wanted to show you that how easy it is to create such cool animated videos with the help of Google NotebookLM and Nano Banana. You can almost create like a short comic book video. You can post it on your channel, or you can show it to your kids, and they will definitely enjoy it, I think so. And also guys, if you like these sort of videos, I would highly request you to please like my channel, hype my channel, and also if you can comment on it. If you have any feedback about that, please do write down in the comment section as well. And in the end guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon for future notifications of more such AI related videos, programming videos, software related videos. I'll see you guys in the next video guys. Until then, take care and bye bye.